Looks just like you.
I know. That's how I feel on the inside. Empty. Just kidding. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
It's a Christmas miracle. We're here at the HGTV headquarters studio.
Yes, the whole gang is here and we're here to show you some inspiration to make your holiday very festive. And you know what they say, go big or go gnome. And we're gonna do both.
There really is gnome place like home for the holidays. So today we're creating our gnome doppelgangers. We've come to visit Mary Ann's house, so we want to leave her a little gift so she's always thinking of us during the holidays. So we're creating a mini me and a mini Andrew, and we're doing it out of a tomato cage.
We used a larger tomato cage to make one that looks like me. We really want to keep this super simple. It's really just gonna be a technique of wrapping and gluing.
And of course we're using flannel, naturally.
Of course. So we're gonna start with the bottom, and this is gonna be for his body. I'm going to take it about 2/3 from the top, and we're just gonna glue it with the hot glue gun. So now that I have it tacked down, I'm just gonna start, I guess I'm gonna roll it this way. And just to make it a little fancy, I'm gonna fold it into glue just so it has a nice seam, but you really aren't gonna see the back, so we're really not too worried about that. Now you could sew it if you want, but I feel like this time of year, like, do you have the time to do that? No.
Ain't gnome, but he got time for that. Now Andrew did the body. I'm gonna start building the beard. We're using this awesome white furry fabric that we found at the fabric store,
yes.
Naturally. With fabric like this, you wanna cut it upside down just so that all the fur doesn't get everywhere. And I'm just gonna cut like a basic triangle shape here for his beard. I have my triangle cut here. I'm gonna leave it like this because I think it looks super cute.
It does look cute.
And I'm just gonna glue that as well to the tomato cage. And I left his beard a little long.
I like that, that's very
he's
fun.
a mini lumberjack. He has to have a long beard.
All right, now we're gonna work on the hat. I'm just gonna cut it into a triangle shape. Like, I'm just gonna like eyeball this triangle. You don't need to measure it. It's all gonna be glued in the back.
Yeah, because we feel the more like droopy draws, like the more baggy his clothing is.
Yeah,
he
kind
looks
of
cute.
like
He's a little gnome.
Aww.
I'm gonna add a little lip to his hat here. I'm just doing that again with the hot glue gun, just to add a little more dimension.
So now we're just gonna wrap it right around the top of the cage. But before we do that, we are just going to put this together just so it's not all wonky and all over the place. All we're gonna do for that is just wrap a little bit of floral wire right around the top. We really want the hat to fall naturally, so we're not going to tack it down too much until we stand it up and zhuzh it a little bit. I love this because it's whimsical, it's kitschy, but yet it's stylish. Is it time to zhuzh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aww. He's looking super cute. Now we're just gonna add a wooden bead for the nose and give him a little festive flourish. Maybe we won't leave this at Mary Ann. You wanna come to New York with us?
I do.
No, my gosh! They look so cute!
So cute.
We want to hear what festive flourish you would add to your gnome.
And if you've missed any of our handmade holiday DIYs, check out the link below for the playlist.
Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Happy holidays!